Hi children, in this video I am going to discuss about 9th class mathematics. In that the very special concept is finding the square root value of irrational numbers. What is meant by irrational number? Irrational number means which cannot be represented in the form of p by q, which cannot express in the form of p by q. Such numbers are called as irrational numbers. For example, square root of 2, square root of 2, which has no square root value because 2 is not a perfect square number. So that which we cannot express in p by q form. For example, for suppose root of 25 is there, for example, root of 25. Its value is equal to 5. Root 25 value is equal to 5. So this 5 can be represented in the form of p by q, like 10 divided by 2. 5 can be written as 10 divided by 2. 2 ones and 2 fives will get cancelled. So again we get 5. So 5 can be written as 10 by 2. So root 25 is a rational number. Why it is a rational? Which we can express in the form of p by q. For example, root of 36, its square root value is 6. 6 can be written as 12 by 2. 12 by 2, 2 6 are 12. Otherwise we can take 18 by 3, 3 6 are 18. So 6 can be written as 12 by 2 or 18 by 3. Means what we are doing here, every number we are expressing in the form of p by q, p by q, p by q. So we can express in the form of p by q. Such numbers are called as rational numbers. Rational numbers. Can you express root of 2 as the power of any rational number? We can express as the power of any one rational number. So root 2 is irrational number. It is an irrational number. Now the question is, find the square root value of irrational numbers. How we find square root value for irrational numbers? Now let us discuss, children. So now firstly I am going to take root 2 here. So what is the value of root 2? To find the square root value of irrational number, first you prepare perfect square table. Perfect square table. What is the name of this table? Perfect square table. Perfect square table. So what is the perfect square table? Product of two equal factors is called perfect square. Product of two equal factors is called perfect square. Product of two equal factors is called perfect square. Did you understand this? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. So this is called as perfect square table. 6 sixes are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, 10 tens are 100. This is called as perfect square table. So first you prepare perfect square table. After that you try to do the square root value of 2. So how we find square root value of 2? So for this you take a number 2 and keep a point and write 6 zeros. After the decimal point you take 6 zeros. These 6 zeros represents 3 decimal places after the decimal point. So after the decimal point, 2 zeros will take 1 digit two zeros will take one digit, these two zeros will take one digit. So totally it will get three digits after the decimal point. So that for getting three decimals after the decimal point, we have to take 6 zeros. To get 4 decimal places, we have to take 8 zeros. I hope you understand. Now I am going to do the division here. So draw two lines like this and keep a bar for 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and here we have only one digit. So this is the important thing. Bar is for 2 digits. Bar is for 2 digits. Bar is for 2 digits. But here we have only one digit. So for that you keep only one bar. Okay. Now division will start here. 2. Where we get 2 here? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. Which one satisfies? 1 ones are 1 will satisfy. So 1 ones are 1. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now you bring down these two zeros. To bring down these two zeros, first you keep a point in the quotient place. You remove this point and keep in quotient place. Now bring down two zeros. Now to do the division for 100, you add 1 and this one. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 1. 2. And keep a box here. Keep a box here. And which one is satisfies here? 100 will get here. Which number will satisfy 100? For example, if we want to write 3 here, you have to apply 3 here also. 3 and 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. It is not satisfies. You can take 4 also. 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. Yes, it is satisfied. 96 will satisfy. Now subtraction, 4 will get 96 after 4. Bring down 2 zeros again. 2 zeros. Now 24 plus 4, 28. And now how many times it goes? For 2 times it will get more than 400, so that 1 time. So 1 time. 281. Ones are 281. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Finally you bring down 2 zeros again. Now 281 plus 1. 282. Now do the division with the 4 table again. 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. 4 eights are 32. 4 twos are 8 plus 3 11. Yes. Now subtraction 4. 9 minus 9 0. 8 minus 2 6. 6 not 4. Now the final answer is root of 2 is equal to 1.414. It is up to 3 decimal places. Just 3 decimal places. To find 3 decimal places, we have to take 6 zeros. Did you understand, children? I hope you understand. So you try to work out the problem root of 3 also. Root of 3. Shall I rub this? Okay. I will rub this. Find the square root value of 3. Root of 3. Up to 3 decimal places. Find root 3. Find root 7. Find the root of 5. Find root of 10. Up to 3 decimal places. Up to 3 decimal places. So find the square root value of 3, root 5, root 7, root 10. Up to 3 decimal places. Did you find? Very good. I hope you do that one. Okay. Now the class is over. We meet again in the next video. Okay. Till then, have a nice day.